Okay, so yesterday I did a video for Solana yield farming and what tools I'm using and what dexes I'm using to provide some liquidity. On today's video, we're going to check and we're going to explore Base Chain. So without further delay, let's go and let's see what's happening on Base Chain. Now, before we go on, please understand nothing here is financial advice. Do your own research. Make sure you understand that nothing here is financial advice. This is crypto and you can lose everything. Okay, so for the Base Chain, so if you go to DeFi Llama and if you see that what is the trading volume on every chain, you will see that Ethereum is 2.6 billion in 24 hours. What is crazy? Solana is very high, also 2 billion. Next one is BSC, Aerodrome, and then we have Base with $663 million in 24 hours volume. And so if you compare that with BSC, where they make around 400,000 fees, I don't have the number here of the fees, but I will reckon it's pretty much the same, around 500,000 fees in 24 hours. And that's why I like yield farming, because I like to get portion of these fees, which means I am providing liquidity, which means I'm market maker. So you can go and explore DeFi Llama and you will see how it's happening, and just go and checking like what chains growing up with the trading volume, and that's mean is the money going there. So just follow the money. Okay, if you see that today market, the Aerodrome Finance, which is one of the main token for one of the main DEX, what's called Aerodrome Finance, is up already 20%, and the market have a nice recovery since a little bit back out, so pullback yesterday when I mentioned the video and I took some position. Also, look, Solana is doing great, and yesterday that's why I went for Solana, because I know the market is going to go up very soon. Now, yes, I just took some position right here on Aperture Finance, and I just took them on Base. I put three different position, $300 each. You will see here so Ethereum with Aero, Ethereum with Miggles, and Ethereum with Bread. Why? Because I'm doing something experimental, something new for me with auto rebalance, but this video is not for that. So this is going to auto rebalance each when the price go out of the range, it's going to auto rebalance immediately back in just a couple of minutes time. But this is something what I'm experimenting, so it's not for the video yet. I need some more data from myself, and I'll tell you if it's working or not in the next couple of weeks time. So one of the main DEX what I'm using is Aerodrome Finance, and also the second main DEX is Uniswap. So you need a tool to do research of what pools are good. The tools what I'm using right now, and also in overall, except this is good tools for pretty much most of the chain, like Binance, like Base, like Ethereum, like Arbitrum, Avalanche, but not Solana. Okay, they need to add Solana, and you will see here what are the great and the most paying LP at this moment. And you, top right, you will see the best APR. But what I like to do is I want to go here for the 24 hours fee. Click here, and you will see that Ethereum with Miggles in 1% tier fee, they made around $40,000 fee in the last 24 hours. And I have been farming this token for the last week. I did a video for this, and I already did around, with today's price, I'm even in my LP. However, I did around 30% already in profit just from fees, 25%. What is crazy, to be honest. Now, let's go and let's check up few pools from right here. Before we go there, Aerodrome Finance is the main DEX. Aerodrome Finance, just to give you some nutshell, and maybe I need to do a full update video for this one. They have old school LP pools, which means they're not concentrated, so you just go deposit and you earn exactly the fee here, but they paying you in their token, what's called Aero. But as I mentioned today, Aero token, it was very good. Make sure you understand, a lot of people you can stake this one, you can stake for different ways, but you can see that the price is going up. It was a nice pullback all the way to 42 cents and now blow up all the way to 91 cents. So again, remember, this is inflationary token. Now, so this for Aerodrome. I'm here in few pools. I really like OVN and USD Plus, who is paying 260% APR. This is static APR, so it's of course going a little bit up and down, but this is static. No pool, like no range, nothing you need to set up. Be careful when here says concentrate liquidity pool. That's a little bit different. So don't ape because here says over 1000%. That's not correct. Okay, it's just approximately. That's a little bit different. And I was here in few, but I'm also in Klima. And thanks to one of the UIG member, by the way, Klima, who went a nice pull back yesterday. Maybe I need to take some more position. I went at 370 and today is around 4, but you will see it's 99% down from all-time high. However, if you go for the last 1 year, you will see the tokens from around 72 cents just going up and up and up and up. So now it's have a pullback, so maybe I'll ape in, but that's me personally a little bit more because the APR is very good, around 300%. That's almost 0.9% per day every single day, and they pay you in Aero, and Aero just went in price, so you know, you just double the profit. Okay, so let's just pick up few pools from right here. for DeFi Krystal. So one of the pools I want to mention is Aero and VET and WETH. So this is concentrated liquidity pools. And if you put a very nice range at this moment when I'm doing this video, let me see if you can see my face again. Probably I will just hide my face from this side right here. And if you see the range right here, if I put that Aero and ETH, and I believe maybe Aero going to outperform ETH or maybe not, and you put, you change this one here a little bit, you will see that the APR approximately with this huge wide range of almost 40%, you will see that you're getting approximately 174% APR or around 14% per month. Now, this will fluctuate, will go up and down. This is estimate earning in 24 hours. For $1,000, you're going to get around $5. What is very, very good for everything over 100% for myself. My aim is to be around 10% at least for a month, between 8 and 10% on good tokens, and around 20% for very risky tokens, maybe 15-20% for more risky tokens. Now, next one I want to mention is Bread. Bread with ETH, because they are 7 million trading volume and the fee are 21,000 in total fees for 24 hours. This is we're talking about for the 0.3% fee. And if you put a very nice range, again around 16% up and down, or maybe you think Bread going to outperform Ethereum, and maybe you can put 25% up and then down maybe 15%, that's also a nice range of 40%, you're still going to get around 170% APR, and this is pretty much approximately very true. But if you just go to narrow range right here and right here, if you go 10 and 10% up and down, you will see that APR is going to jump to almost double. You're going to get around 332%, but this is very narrow, so be careful, you're going to get out of range very, very soon. So wherever you think the token going to go up, just put the range going to go more, and make sure you understand that here, that if you think that Bread token going to go up, you need to have more Bread tokens, because when the token Bread going up, okay, that's selling down into Ethereum token. Okay, so that's how it's working. Make sure you understand that. Now, next token I want to mention is WETH with Digen. This is also this is more meme token play, but let me go to something else. Let me go to SPEC, okay, WETH with SPEC. Let me go that stuff. So SPEC is very good token who had a good pullback in the last couple of weeks. And if you go with SPEC right now, and today when I'm doing this video, if you think it's going to outperform again Ethereum for maybe, we talk about 20% up and 16% down, you will see that you're going to get around 300% APR. Again, remember, I'm here in SPEC and I was getting around 120, 140 APR, but because of the trading volume today is very high, you double the APR. So I think overall it's around 130, 150% APR with this nice wide range. Now, I just want to mention one more token. Let's see WETH with Miggles. Let's have the most trading fees, and here this is a meme token, so make sure, definitely, there we go. So it's not going to show me because as I mentioned yesterday, DeFi Krystal doesn't work great with my Malwarebytes. So if you have Malwarebytes, make sure you understand that it doesn't work always great. But there we go, so it just started. So if we go and let's say best wide range, but if we go and have a nice wide range of 40% up and 40% down, because this is a meme token, so that's a huge wide range of 80%, or maybe let's be a little bit more risky and we take 30% up and 30% down, something like that, we're going to get approximately 1000% APR, and this is very, very true and very realistic. But the token has some kind of bottom out around 20% down from now and around 15% up, to be honest. So I don't think this will go, let's say, more than deep than 25%. And if I put this range around 30% up and 25% down, we're going to get around 1200% APR, approximately APR. Also, if you want to just go in and provide liquidity, go here at liquidity, and you can go and zap in one token, and that's about it. Simple as that, and you're ready to go. All right, so that's about it. Let me know if you have any question. Let me know in the comment section, what is your most favorite pool from all these pools I mentioned, or maybe you want me to check something else. Let me know in the comment section, and I'm more than happy to check for you. And don't forget, one of the best places to learn for yield farming is Crypto Lab Research. They have the best free courses out there, and also they have the paid section. Go and join still for free to get the free courses and go and study so you can learn step by step everything you need to do. There are many tools, again, remember to learn. One of them, what I told you today, is for DeFi, is also Revert, and also one of what I mentioned is Portfolio Master, who is the best tool to find low crypto market cap gems. Make sure you watch some of my video for Portfolio Masters. There are a few people who doing all the research for me and you to find a low market cap gems, and they tell you everything, when they're buying, how much they're buying, what they're buying, and all the research for that tokens, why they're buying. All right, thank you so much. God bless. Make sure you leave me a like, subscribe, and also go and join my Twitter, because my real Twitter was suspended, so I just opened a new one. Thank you so much. I will see you in the next one.